Adobe Premiere Pro is the most popular video editing software. Among drawbacks, Premiere Pro lacks screen recorder tool. It is the most expensive and difficult to learn software. However, Premiere Pro also has two main benefits. Its single subscription can be used on two computers. It has great support for third-party plugins. Premiere Pro lacks AI background remover tool. Removing a single color background in Premiere Pro is relatively fast by using the chroma key. However, when I wanted to remove a complex background, the manual process was too much lengthy. Premiere Pro includes powerful features such as speech-to-text, 360-degree, multicam and 8K video editing. Premiere Pro is available only for Windows and Mac computers. Check full review, ratings, features as well as pros and cons of the top 5 video editing software at dozro.com website. See link in description. Thanks for liking and sharing this video.